Andito tayo ngayon sa may Al Fursan International Sport, Abu Dhabi. So, for today's video, magka-karting daw kami. Although, hindi naman ako marunong mag-drive, pero let's take the risk. Anyway, this is Red Blossom Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, please, and thank you in advance. So, this is me and my cousin, Tessa. So we are here in a changing room because we change our clothes. So we are currently wearing now our suit for karting. Tingnan nga natin kung ano ang mangyayari talaga mamaya. Kasi ang alam ko, wala akong alam.
Diba? May malaki botong, may receiver. Hello brother, can I change? My friend, see how I use this one, my friend. See?
So, andito na kami ngayon sa may briefing hall. Waiting kung sino ang magbi-briefing sa amin. So, bale 11 ata kami or 12 magka-karting. 150 ata yung karting per head or 170. Nakalimutan ko na kasi nasa card yun eh. So, eto na nga, nandito na yung mag-briefing sa amin.
18 turns. And today's activity is 15 minutes driving. And winner based on who is taking fastest lap. Clear? This is our senior car, 390cc engine, 60 to 80 km per hour speed. Operated by two controls, right pedal accelerator, left pedal brake. Again, right pedal accelerator, left pedal brake. Don't press both same time, only one by one. Okay. We are saying different card numbers for you. You have to do is check your name and your card number. Okay, and take that card. If you took wrong card, we cannot give you lap time. So check your number, take it. We have some marshals on every spot on track. They will communicate you through flags. When you see yellow flag waving, it means slow driving only. Don't overtake him. Okay? Please reduce your speed. And red means it's an emergency flag. When you saw this, please stop immediately near to the marshal. Okay? And the black is a warning flag. We have driving standards on track. Just read it. No blocking, no pushing, no bumping each other, no drifting, no hitting on barrier. Anything will give you warning. Okay? Just show it you like this and let you go. And still you doing the same thing again. Sorry, no more chance. You have to switch off your car. Only one chance we can give. Okay, so make sure driving safely. After 15 minutes, you will receive checkout flag. It means time is up. So you can take one more route again as a last lap and come back to pit. Make sure you wear the balaclava and glasses properly. Especially ladies, keep your hair fully inside the seat. Okay? And your personal things like mobile devices, car keys, anything with you, don't put on suit pocket. There is space on helmet room, keep it there, all your stuff. Okay? And next, to respect the competitors and marshals, most important, follow the flags properly. Don't try to ignore anything. And lastly, in case an emergency, like you felt dizziness, headache, anything, you can't stack anywhere, not moving, anything happen on track, just sit inside the car. Never ever try to take more from the car. Sit inside. That will be more safe. Okay?
And how we will call you? Just we do like this? Okay.
Raise your hand. We will be there. Okay? If you saw your friend something happen, don't go for help, please. We are there. Let us do it. Okay? All clear? Any doubts? And the first lap, warm up. Okay? First lap, warm up. Go slow. You got a guiding cart in front of you, one of our staff. He will guide you through the track route. Go behind him slowly. After one lap, go with his. All clear? Let's go. Please take your wristband.
Briefing is ended, so we are here falling in line kasi maglalagay siya ng wristband. So eto, actually guys, naninervyos naman talaga ako kasi wala naman akong kaalam-alam sa mga ganito. Diyos ko. But I am taking the risk kasi gusto ko ngang ma-experience din. At least kahit hindi ako marunong mag-drive, kayang-kaya akong sabihin sa harap niyong lahat na nag-try ako, that I did my best. Diba? So, eto guys, papunta na kami sa may exciting part. Diyos ko, parang ako lang talaga ang huli. Parang tingin ko ngayon mamaya sa sarili ko, parang bata ako naglalaro ng ano to, oh? Kotse-kotse. Bahala na. At least, maka-experience man lang. 'Di ba? Kasi ang mahal naman to, guys. Oh. Saan ka pa? Libre naman. Pag libre, go kahit wala kang alam. 'Di ba? Charge to experience. So eto na nga, nagsusuot na kami ng mask, tapos may gloves, may helmet, suit. Lahat 'yan provided by the circuit management. So eto na yung mga kotse-kotsehan. Kasya kaya ako diyan? Diyos ko, ako pa yung walang alam. Ako pa yung pinakamalaki sa kanilang lahat. Tapos ako yung nasa harap talaga. Natatakot ako. Bahala na. Kaso nga lang guys, walang magpipicture sa amin, walang magvi-video. Kasi lahat kami nag-drive. So bawal naman magdala ng mobile. Kasi nga nasa truck ka. Nasa truck, racing truck ka. So bawal mag-cellphone. So walang nag-video sa amin. It's okay. It's okay. At least we enjoyed the day. We spend the rest of our day here. Kinaya ko naman guys, kahit paikot-ikot ako dyan. Kaya ko rin silang sabayan lahat. Kasi guys, yung kotse-kotsehan nila, hindi naman talaga bumabaliktad. Kahit saang lupalop ka dyan dadaan, kahit mabangga ka pa dyan sa may ano tong harangan nila, yung mga harang nila dyan, hindi naman mababaliktad yung kotse-kotsehan mo. So we're done. Look at my face. Parang sinabunutan ako. Ang init. Nakakamatay yung init tapos naka-helmet ka. So we ended up here in the cafe. So magre-refresh muna kami dito guys. At ito pala dito guys, 20% siya kung may card ka na yung dala-dala naming card. May 20% siya in any drinks. 'Di ba? Swerte namin. So salamat sponsor. Salamat sponsor. Baka naman. Kung meron pa dyan, nandito lang kami. Shout out pala kay Wency, kay Barco, and the team. Muchísimas gracias. So, nag-smoothies lang kami guys kasi nga mainit talaga para ma-refresh lang kami. Tapos, it's almost 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I think. So, pagkatapos kaming mag-refresh dito, uuwi na kami. Hope you find this video more interesting. Please drop your comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.